Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate WooCommerce subscriptions using plugin settings, full guide step by step clearly. To activate WooCommerce subscriptions using plugin settings, first, ensure that you have installed WooCommerce on your WordPress site. Next, you will need to install the WooCommerce subscriptions plugin. Visit the WordPress dashboard and navigate to the plugins section. Click on Add New and search for WooCommerce subscriptions. Once you find the plugin, click Install Now and then activate the plugin after installation. After activation, go to the WooCommerce settings by clicking on WooCommerce in the dashboard menu. Select the Settings option, then find the Products tab. Under Products, click on Subscriptions to access the subscription settings. Here, you can configure various options according to your requirements. You can set a default subscription length, allow the option for free trials, and manage renewal payments. Make sure to save any changes you make before navigating away from the page. Next, create a subscription product by going to Products and clicking on Add New. In the Product Data section, change the product type to Simple Subscription or Variable. Set the pricing and billing period for the subscription. Fill in the product title, description, and any other necessary fields. Add a product image to enhance the visual appeal of your subscription offer. Once you finalize the product details, click Publish to make the subscription product live on your site. To confirm that the subscription options are working, visit the product page on your site. Add the subscription product to your cart and proceed to checkout. Complete a test purchase to ensure that everything is functioning correctly. Finally, check the My Account section to verify that the subscription appears in your user's account details. With these steps, you will have successfully activated WooCommerce subscriptions using the plugin settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.